Grand Finals na ang Smule Singing Contest sa liliwakin Rayaw Digiti OFW page. Magkakaalaman na ngayon kung sino ang mananalo at mag-uuwi ang malalaking premyo. Subaybayan kay host Sir Roderick Molina sa kanyang special day events. Ang mga contestant na maglaban-laban sina Jessel Joy, Miriam, Christine, Annalisa, Jansin, Josephine, Roel, Jonah, Jess at Joan. Good luck mga guys! Tara na at tawagan ang mga katropa at magpasuporta. The Grand Final Smule Singing Urine Contest 2021 will win 10,000 pesos on the first prize. Second prize is 7,000 pesos. Third prize is 5,000 pesos. Fourth prize is 4,000 pesos. And fifth prize will receive 3,000 pesos. Consolation prizes naman ang mga di nanalo. Abay, better luck next time. This is the Grand Final Smule Singing Urine Contest 2021. This portion are brought to you by the group of admins of Liliwak and Rayaw Digiti OFWs worldwide, the sponsors and disc jocks and host, and in participation of Coins.ph sa Coins.ph, aasenso ang buhay mo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Grand Final Singing Contest event of Liliwak and Rayaw Digiti OFW.